Hello, everyone. I am trying my first time to do a little recording, and I thought I would do something about using Pixlr and saving it to your Google Drive so that you can post it and attach it to our classroom. So I am using a Mac right now, so I'm trying to show you a couple different ways you can do this, and hopefully this makes sense. So right now I am in Pixlr.com, and this is the regular setting if you're going to go in there. So if I clicked Advanced E, and there's a couple different ways you can do it. Sometimes if you've saved some things, they will be up here, but if you're not capable of saving anything because your Chromebook doesn't not allow you to download images, you won't have anything up here. So I'm going to create a new image. These are all the sizes. You can type in any size that you want to, but I'm just going to use this basic 1920 by 1080. I'm going to create it. So here I am in the image. There's a couple of different ways that you could do this. If your computer is working well and copying and pasting over downloading, there's lots of ways to do it. I feel like there are a couple ways that you can try. So one of the examples is I want to get pictures and I want to bring it into the interface. So on my tab, I have Google open, and I typed out cat, as I will usually, and I'm just going through, and there's a million cats on here. So instead of me just grabbing this image and trying to throw it onto the image like we're used to in Photoshop, I'm going to hold down my control button and click onto the cat image. When I clicked onto it, you'll get this usually, and I'm going to copy the image. When I copy it, I'm going to go back over to Pixlr, my Pixlr tab, and I'm going to go either Edit, Paste, or on my Mac it's Command V. I'm going to try to paste it. So there it is in here. Hopefully that works exactly like that for you. So I'm going to go back into my Google Images. I'll find another cat. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy the image, go back to my Pixlr tab, and I'm going to paste the image. Notice what it's doing over here. It's adding all kinds of layers as you keep going. So here this is. I'll do one more, going back to my Google screen, sorry, and I'll grab another one. I'm holding my control, clicking on the image, and copy the image. Then go back over to Photo Editor, the Pixel Editor, and I'm going to go Edit, Paste. So here's another one that I can manipulate in any way I want. So right now I'm keeping them pretty simple. 3 separate little images, no big deal, nothing crazy. So if you can, you usually would just go to File and you would just save the images. And it'll give you this ability to go and just going to put it into it. But for my computer, it's going to go to my download folder. For some people, it's not going to work. It's going to say you don't have any space left on your download folder. So if you cannot do that, what I've been telling people is to go up to Layer, and go down to Flatten Image. So now it's all one layer. I'm going to go to my rectangular selection tool. I'm going to highlight the entire page. So it's on the entire image. I didn't even go to the very ends of this, as you can see. But I'm copying, I'm highlighting the whole thing. So it's on there. Now I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. Then I'm going to switch over to my Google Drive. So what I usually would do is I'll go to my Google Drive and I'll open a Google Doc, which I have done. This is a Google Doc. Then I'm just going to go to Edit and Paste, and then there's the image. You'll save this Google Doc. I'll call it Test. And you'll put that, you can move it into the folder that you're going to want to use it with. And so I'm going to go to Move. I'm going to go into, I have a bunch of folders here. So I'm just going to go down to my, where do I have it? You're going to call yours Graphic Design 1. And I'm going to put mine in my Graphic Design Online 2020 because that's a brand new folder that I've made. And I've moved it in there. Then you can share that URL or just that doc to me on our Google Classroom. All right, so I hope that that works for everyone. If it doesn't, just contact me and we'll try another way. Okay, thanks. Talk to you soon.